Good morning, everyone. I hope you are fine and safe at your home and enjoy the holidays. So today is my lesson. As you know, we are just review about the outdoor toys. And before we start the review and the next lesson, so we have just should know about the day and date and the year. Okay. So today is Wednesday, 1st April 2020. Wednesday, 1st April 2020. Okay? So now we have review the course book is Grammar Friends2 and the unit number 3 and lesson outdoor toys. The page number is 16. We have just review. Okay, as you know, can for ability we use. Can means that you are able to do something or not able to do something, so we just use can for if you are able to do something, and can't if you are not able to do something. Okay, so this one is yesterday, as you know, we made the sentences simple and negative and interrogative. Okay, so this is the review of the previous lesson, and today we are going forward for tick the right one. Okay, so as you see the picture, what he can do or not, so we have to tick the picture. Okay, if he, so as you see the boy cannot ride, so we have two options. He can ride a horse. The second option is he can't ride a horse. So we have to tick the second sentence because it's right and correct sentence. So you have to tick on this second sentence because it's correct, because he can't ride. Okay, the second one is we have also two options. The picture shows us that he can play football, so we have two options and we have to select the correct one. Okay, he can play football, and the second option is he can't play football, so we select the right one because the picture shows us that he can play, so we tick the correct one, the first sentence. Okay, I hope you are learning and review the previous lesson. I know that you are doing at your home already, but this is the review. I want to review again in your mind. Okay, so this one is your homework, and make at least 10 simple negative and interrogative sentences by yourself. This one is your homework. Make at least 10 simple negative and interrogative sentences by yourself. You have to take the one page and write by yourself. If you can select anything which you like to do, and you can use the can and can't by yourself. Okay, at least 10 sentences. This is your homework, and I hope you will do at your home because you have lots of time to do this one. So this is the Wednesday lesson review, and you have to select one sentence to tick the mark, and then this is your homework. Okay, so I hope you will do at your home. Okay, it's time to say goodbye and see you again.